Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix buzzing noise in TV. So if you're interested, let's get started. Now, if your TV is making a buzzing noise here, there are going to be a few common causes to consider. And fortunately, several ways to fix them. Now, one of the most likely reasons is a faulty or damaged speaker. Now, over time, your TV's indoor speaker can wear out due to age, now exposure to moisture, or even like physical damage. Now, to test this, try muting your TV. Now, if the buzzing stops here, it's a clear sign that the speaker itself is the issue. Now, in that case, you may want to connect an external speaker here to your TV and check if the buzzing continues. Now, if the noise in this case, is still there, or in this case, gone with your external speaker, you might want to stick with the newly installed speaker here. Or in this case, you may want to replace the internal speaker altogether if you want to, or don't want to use an external speaker here. Now, another common cause is what we call ground loop. Now, this happens when multiple devices connected to your TV, like for example, like a sound system, gaming console, or a cable box here, are actually plugged into the same power outlet. Now, in this case, creating a slight voltage difference between the devices. So in this case, that difference can result in a low but persistent buzzing sound. Now, if you want to fix this one, try reducing the number of devices plugged into the same outlet. Now, also use a ground loop isolator here, which can break the loop and eliminate the buzzing sound. And also, the less obvious but equally important issue is the overmodulation. Now, this occurs when your TV receives a signal but is too strong, often from a cable box or external tuner. This overload can cause both audio and video distortion, including buzzing sounds. Now, installing a signal attenuator between your cable box and your TV can help regulate the strength of the signal and smooth things out. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.